Today, we've got an exclusive preview of Apple's latest innovation, the iPad Pro M4 2024. Apple has once again pushed the boundaries of technology, delivering a device that's thinner, faster, and more stunning than ever before. So let's dive right in. Months of anticipation have finally come to an end as Apple unveils the iPad Pro M4, signaling a new era of tablet technology. With OLED panels, a thinner design, and an array of exciting features, this iteration promises to elevate your digital experience to new heights. Join us as we explore the groundbreaking upgrades packed into this sleek and powerful device. First up, let's talk about the star of the show, the OLED panels. Say goodbye to the mini LED experiment because Apple has embraced OLED technology for both the iPad Pro 11 and the 13 models. With infinite contrast and punchy colors, these displays deliver an unparalleled viewing experience. And with the new tandem OLED design, get ready to be mesmerized by the stunning visuals on these screens. But Apple didn't stop there. The iPad Pro M4 2024 boasts a sleeker, thinner design, making it a true marvel of engineering. At just 5.3 millimeters thin for the 11 model and 5.1 millimeters for the 13 model, these tablets redefine portability without compromising on performance. And with a larger 13 display, you'll have even more screen real estate to unleash your creativity. Powering these extraordinary devices is the Apple M4 chip, built on a second-gen 3 AIM process. With blazing fast performance and advanced AI capabilities, the M4 chip ensures smooth multitasking, console-grade gaming, and seamless productivity. And with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, you'll have all the power you need at your fingertips. Of course, no iPad experience is complete without its accessories. Apple has revamped the Magic Keyboard with function keys, a larger trackpad, and an aluminum palm rest, offering a more versatile and comfortable typing experience. And for the creatives out there, the new Apple Pencil Pro brings precision and control to your fingertips, with a squeeze sensor, gyroscope, and Taptic engine for enhanced functionality. Now let's talk about the display technology. With the introduction of tandem OLED panels, the iPad Pro M4 2024 delivers unrivaled color accuracy, brightness, and contrast. In conclusion, the iPad Pro M4 2024 represents the pinnacle of tablet technology with its stunning OLED display, blazing fast performance, and innovative features. Whether you're a creative professional, a student, or a tech enthusiast, the iPad Pro M4 2024 is sure to exceed your expectations. So don't wait any longer. Experience the future of computing with the iPad Pro M4 2024 today. Thank you for joining us today for this exclusive preview of the iPad Pro M4 2024. Stay tuned for more updates and insights on the latest tech innovations. Until next time, peace out.